Alright, so you've heard the buzz about Bitcoin. Maybe you've seen its price skyrocket, or perhaps you're intrigued by the underlying technology, blockchain. Whatever your reason, you're here because you want to get a piece of the action. But where do you start? How do you actually buy Bitcoin? Well, if you're in Canada, one popular option is Newton. Let's dive in. Now, I know what you're thinking. Crypto can be intimidating. It's a whole new world with its own language, its own rules. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to owning your first Bitcoin. So, what is Newton? Essentially, it's a Canadian cryptocurrency platform that makes buying and selling crypto as easy as ordering a pizza. They offer a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including, of course, Bitcoin. But we're focusing on BTC today. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is create a Newton account. It's pretty straightforward. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email, and phone number. Once you've done that, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure to protect your account. Next up is funding your account. Newton offers a few options here. You can link your bank account, use etransfer, or even use a credit card. I recommend using a bank account or etransfer as they usually come with lower fees. Once your account is funded, it's time for the exciting part, buying Bitcoin. On the Newton platform, you'll find a simple interface where you can select Bitcoin. You can either specify the amount of Canadian dollars you want to spend or the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. It's really that simple. Now, a common question is, when is the best time to buy Bitcoin? The truth is, nobody really knows. Bitcoin is a volatile asset, which means its price can fluctuate wildly. Some people believe in buying and holding, hodling, as they call it, while others prefer to trade based on market trends. Ultimately, the best time to buy is when it fits your financial goals and risk tolerance. But what about security? Your Bitcoin, like any money, needs to be protected. Newton has its own security measures in place, but it's always a good idea to add an extra layer of protection. Consider using a hardware wallet for storing your Bitcoin offline. This provides an extra level of security in case something happens to your online accounts. Alright, so you've bought your Bitcoin. What now? Well, that depends on you. Some people hold onto their Bitcoin for the long term, believing its value will continue to increase. Others might use it for transactions. And then there are those who engage in Bitcoin trading, trying to profit from short-term price fluctuations. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile. What goes up can also go down. It's essential to do your own research and understand the risks involved before investing any money. So there you have it. A basic guide to buying Bitcoin on Newton. It's not rocket science, but it does require some understanding. Always remember to prioritize security and do your own research. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.